Coach Moo, Top Flight Sports Performance. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature shoe. Training shoe, there are a couple different colorways. There's white, I think there are 2 different variations of black, this red, and then a gray. It's kind of a lower tier training shoe, so the cost is $65. I'll get into the different tiers down the line. Let me get the basics out of the way. True to size, I wear a size 14. Narrow fit. And then let's just talk about kind of the different elements of the shoe. So rubber outsole. I do like it. It's sturdy, it's grippy, so it doesn't lock you in, but you can make good contact. I like how they kind of distributed it. There are some grooves for lateral movement. This area seems to be reinforced a little bit for a high contact area, so I like that a lot. The midsole is a foam, so there's a little bit of energy return because this is a cross-training shoe. And then the upper is mesh, and it's solid. This shoe is designed to take some punishment. So now we got that out of the way, let's talk about usage. You could use this, again, for cross-training. What does that look like? Treadmill running. You could probably get away with a little bit of outdoor running, but seeing as some of the foam is exposed, I don't know if that's a really good idea. I think this is more of an indoor shoe than it is indoor-outdoor shoe. So running, sprinting, indoors, treadmill, that works. The drop, I know it looks like it's a little bit higher up front, but I don't feel like it's really elevated. So as far as doing squats, your lifts, cleans, this will allow you to do that. It's not like most of the Metcons, but it definitely can do the job. Plyometrics, that's a big thing for me. I really felt like it managed the drills that I did, and you'll see them in the video. So again, for stuff that I think is important, the sprinting, running, the lifting, agility work, side to side, forward, back, and then plyometrics. This shoe checks all of those boxes. And for, let's talk about price point. So $65. My go-to shoes are the Metcon 7, although they have an 8, which is really the same. The upper is just a little bit sturdier in the toe box, but there's really no difference. So that one's $130. My other go-to is the Super Rep Go Flyknit Next Nature. That one goes for $100. I love that shoe. It's very lightweight, but yet very responsive. So for $65, I think this is a great buy, considering everything that you're getting from it. So I really feel like it's a good shoe if you're kind of a recreational athlete. If you're spending a lot of time in the gym, this probably isn't your shoe. You'd be better off investing in a Metcon 8, especially if you're doing some hardcore cross training. This shoe is lighter than the Metcon 7 or 8, but so it is a lighter weight. So if you're doing heavy duty training, this is not your shoe. Anyway, I did like it. If you buy it, I hope you did too. You do too. One other thing, I've been away. I'm doing PhD studies right now, so I will do reviews as best I can, but I appreciate your time and support. So again, this is the Nike Legend Essential 3 Next Nature. Win your day. Talk to you soon.